Natural cures for food poisoning. Nobody can say that they never have been through food poisoning. At some point or the other, every one of us would have suffered from food poisoning. As is obvious from its name, it comes from the poisoning of food by bacteria or toxins. It is characterized by some very prominent symptoms such as abdominal cramps, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and maybe headaches and dizziness. Usually, food poisoning can be treated with natural cures at home using the ingredients picked from the kitchen. It may take 2 days, but result will come in the case of the mild food poisoning. If the attack is serious, still you need to stick the natural cures along with your doctor's prescription. First, lemon. Lemon is antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory. Hence, the much sought relief from the food poisoning can easily be given by lemons. Lemons are acidic in nature, so the juice of lemon can kill the bacteria. Take a glass of warm water, mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of sugar, and a bit of salt, and drink a glass thrice a day. It will also help cleaning your digestive system. Second, stay hydrated. The carelessness that can prove deadliest is getting dehydrated. The best way towards this is to keep sipping water off and on. Herbal tea made of licorice or chamomile is highly recommended. Clear broth also helps to provide liquid. One indicator of adequate hydration is that you should urinate frequently and the color of urine should be clear. Third, eat right diet. The right diet here is bland and overcooked meat. The best dishes may be soup and rice gruel. They get digested very easily. Taking control of diet for 2 days will start showing you desirable result. Limited amount of food will do well. Eat more if you feel like it. Fourth, take rest. Ignoring this condition by saying that it's just another episode of food poisoning will prove to be a roadblock to your recovery. Slow down and cancel all the engagements. Take it easy for a day or two. You are sure to find yourself marching victoriously on the road to recovery. Fifth, banana. Banana is the best fruit, or should I say, the most important remedy that needs to be administered. Basically, potassium present in banana will nullify some ill effects of food poisoning. It is soft and easy to digest. That is what makes it darling of all the heart practitioners and darling for grandma. Sixth, ginger. Any type of food poisoning, think of ginger. Gingerols present in ginger are the best healing agents of any digestive problem. Heartburns, diarrhea, or nausea. Name whatever accompanies food poisoning. Ginger is the answer to it all. You can consume it in multiple ways. Choose whichever you like. Make ginger tea and sip after your meals or eat raw ginger. Raw juliennes can be sprinkled with the salt with a generous amount of fresh lemon juice. Whatever way you may choose, it is bound to help you.
Thanks for watching.